Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account on Fedex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in purpleid.okta.com and press enter. Now Okta is the HR service which manages Fedex employees. Now just type in your username within the username box that you have set up while creating your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then tap on the login button and you will be logged in to your employee account with Fedex right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the need help signing in option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Fedex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.